About it, I'll be checking here my resources regarding the status of your order, okay? And by any chance, do you have the order number with you? I'm sorry, actually that one is a track. Yes, hello, that one is a tracking number. So I will not be able to, yes, track your order. Uh-huh. Yeah, yeah. Okay. Okay. 42944. Okay, just bear with me. I'll check my records using that. And may I have your first and last name, please? Alright, how about your email address? Alright, thank you so much for providing that. So I'm already looking at your records in here. And as per checking this one, okay, so we have placed an order for your sleep buds to last, just check, last October 30. And as per checking here, last November 12, we have actually requested a free of charge order for a sleep buds to as a replacement because it seems like the other one that was originally processed was like lost while it's in its way to you. But then I'll be checking here my resources, the status of this order that we have recently placed for you, okay? Okay, just bear with me. This one is for the gold sleep buds, and just check my resources. Alright, there you go. And as for checking, since this one was just processed by on November 12, so there's an outbound number just by today. So probably within the day or by tomorrow, you are already going to receive an email for the tracking number, so you can check this order online, okay? No, I'm actually, you placed the order with us last October 30, but see, it seems like the one that was processed for you was actually lost while it's in its way to you. But so we, yeah, so we requested a order for you last November 12. No, it's not yet it's not missing, okay? Uh-huh. Mm-hmm. Yes, this one, as I've mentioned to you, we have already like created a outbound number. So probably you're going to receive an email for the tracking number within the day or by tomorrow, okay? Mm-hmm. But you know what? It seems like you've really been like so much inconvenience on your part. I will be okay if like I provide you a discount in your next purchase. Yes, I am. Actually, for this one, all of our products will be coming from Belgium, alright? So, since it's gonna be coming from Belgium, all the products that needs to go in and out will have to go through the customs. So, that is why we are allowing 7 to 10 business days for the orders. But then, most of our stores in UK all of our stores in UK are closed as of the moment because of the pandemic, and also we are transitioning like to online services. Mm, Actually, that will still not be possible. But you know what? To compensate you with what happened, since we have placed the order for you last like October 30, will it be okay like to provide you a refund, like a 30% refund for that? By the time, yes, a 30% refund, okay? So with that, okay. So by the time that you receive the order with you, please do call us back so we can request a refund, a 30% for the original order, okay? You're welcome. So by the way, regarding your request to just pick up your package in our office and Chatham, however, there are actually no products in there. So all of our products are just in Belgium. Uh, yes. So I hope you understand that we really have to wait 7 to 10 business days. But then since we have I'm just checking here, we have to allow 7 to 10 business days for you to receive your package. Okay. Okay. So if that's the case, then. Mm-hmm. Yes, I really. You know what? Okay. So, to compensate you, I'm really sorry for all the inconvenience. Uh, Regarding the refund, okay. So let's like make it 50% refund, okay? I'm really sorry for what happened. I apologize on behalf of both, but then I'll make sure that this order that we have requested for you will get delivered, okay? Okay, let me just go ahead and notate in here. By the time that you receive the sleep bots, please do call us back so we can process the 50% refund for the sleep bots, okay? Yes, my name is MJ. Yes, MJ. Okay, just bear with me. I'll go ahead and notate in here that once you called us, we can go ahead and request a refund 50%, okay? Okay, you're welcome. We'll make sure that you will get this, okay? We'll go ahead and monitor your tracking number. So if ever there are any problems, don't worry about it. We'll go ahead and you won't have to be like liable for that. We'll be the one who will cover it for you, okay? But this time we'll make sure that this one will be get monitored and you are going to receive this, okay? Yes, I'll be tracking it on your behalf as well. I'll go ahead and document that in here just to make sure that I can track it as well on your behalf, and I'll keep you posted as well, okay? You're welcome. So just bear with me, I'll check in here. Okay, there you go. So I'll be seeing tracking your order here. Let me just check. Okay. Okay, once we do have a tracking number, I'll be making sure to contact you just to make sure that you receive that as well. Maybe if there's some glitch in our website, just to make sure that you'll be having the tracking number. Once we do have, I'll be contacting you, okay? You're welcome. Alright then, if that's the case, is there anything else I can possibly assist you with? Alright, there you go. So if that's the case, thank you so much for calling, Rose. Please do expect my call back to update you, and I'll keep you posted regarding these orders, okay? This order. You're welcome, and you still have a wonderful day ahead. Bye-bye for now.
umay. Yan. Sabi mo nga bili ng soft drinks. Sabi mo bili dalawang coke. Hindi ko lang kainin pa. Diyan po sa pabili ko ng coke. Bili din sa pabili. Nakaka-umay this. Kailangan na.
Paano? Yung Sprite?
Oh.
Coke, sino bili?
Kuya mo.